Hello dear viewers and welcome to T-World. Kindly hit the subscribe button and we will be on our way. In today's news, Trump designated 3 partner judges to the court while in office. Harvard professor emeritus Alan Dershowitz pronounced Friday that the Supreme Court's choice toppling the milestone Roe v. Swim early termination point of reference was an obvious indicator of previous President Donald Trump's effect on the legal branch. Indeed, this is presently not the Roberts Court, he expressed, alluding to Chief Justice John Roberts. It's currently the Trump Court, he said on Friday's Just the News. Not Noise Network show. Trump, while president, selected Associate Justices Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett to seat. The High Court on Friday delivered its decision in the Dobbs v. Jackson fetus removal case, which completely upset both Roe v. Swim and Planned Parenthood v. Casey, a 1992 choice certifying fetus removal privileges, in this way returning the ability to direct the training to the states. All of the Trump-delegated judges casted a ballot, with Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito in the greater part running the show. Boss Justice John Roberts gave an agreeing assessment. The Roe point of reference sanctioned early termination cross-country in 1972 after the court decided the system to be an established right under the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment, which ensures a right to protection. Dershowitz proceeded to state how Friday's decision demonstrates the ongoing court holds in a general sense different translation of the 14th Amendment right to security, saying this is the start of another time of the right of protection. Furthermore, we need to perceive how it advances over the long run, the Harvard teacher then, at that point, reminded watchers that the court has recently held left-wing predispositions and cautioned that those disappointed with its shift to the right shouldn't seek after savagery or endeavor to destroy the foundation. We've experienced this previously. The New Deal was another time, he said. The Warren Court was another period. Both of those times helped nonconformists and hurt traditionalists. This time the situation was reversed. And we who are liberal need to comprehend that we can't participate in savagery. We can't begin attaching it forward and annihilating the foundation, he added. We need to work inside the law and inside the principal year. In other news, Charge Maher figures Donald Trump can journey to a success in 2024 in the event that he simply lets the 2020 political decision go. At this moment, individuals around the nation are puzzling over whether Trump will pursue for president again, losing last time. And the host of Constant with Bill Maher figures he will smash Democrats on the off chance that he can quit discussing 2020. Furthermore, I recently thought, on the off chance that Trump could just relinquish the political decision, which he can't. He can win this so natural since he can win simply on Drag Queen Story Hour. Again, on the off chance that he could just relinquish the political decision. Yet as of now, he's very much like a lodging that since eventually you simply have any desire for another room. You understand what I mean. Furthermore, DeSantis, he's simply will be more dynamic, in the event that you like individuals who don't lose races and, Maher said while discussing Trump's political decision possibilities. As per Fox News, it's difficult to contend with Maher's remarks about Trump and DeSantis. It seems like the insane individuals on the two edges are ruling the story. Yet the thing that matters is that one side certainly doesn't believe it's acceptable for small kids to be exposed to sexual material, as we've seen endlessly time once more. Guardians care about paying special attention to their youngsters, and the legitimate shock over the reality kids were brought to a drag show shows individuals are distraught. Maher has frequently said he hasn't gotten more moderate, however, that dissidents have quite recently gone excessively far to one side. Based on his remarks, he'd apply that mentality to Trump squashing the field in 2024 on the off chance that he can stop with the 2020 talk. I figure most sane onlookers will concur with his appraisal. The more insane America gets with crazy stuff, particularly stuff designated at kids, the better it is for legislators on the right.
If you made it to the end of the video, kindly hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. It helps the channel.